Hi, everyone. I'm Miss Einstein, and I want to welcome you all to Family Science Camp. So let's start slow. Let's start with the alphabet. A is for atom, and atoms are made up of protons and neutrons and anyone? Electrons, and protons are positive, and electrons are...
Anyone?
Where are we? Wow! Cool! Awesome!
This is going to be a fabulous alphabet journey. Like our new classroom, it's called space. As I said, A is for atoms. Did you know there are more atoms in the human body than all the stars in the universe? It's true! Atoms are crazy small. Anyone else have a cosmic wish for the letter A? How about the aurora?
How about an astronaut or alien?
Cool, Nova. Life beyond Earth is one of the biggest mysteries of the universe.
I don't know much about space, but I think those are asteroids.
Thanks, Astra. Another A. Look out!
To be or not to be? That is the question!
That was a black hole! That's what B's for.
Great, Cosmo. I see you like the wild, exciting space stuff.
Wait, what happened to Shakespeare?
Shakespeare experienced spaghettification. It's when gravity is so extreme, like here at a black hole, that if you get too close, you get torn apart easily, like spaghetti. Not even light can escape a black hole. And light is the fastest thing in the universe at 670 million miles an hour, 11 million miles a minute, or 186,000 miles per second. Impressive, huh, Luna?
Not really. Not too impressed with facts.
We'll see about that. There are still a lot of letters left in the alphabet.
I heard black holes could be a wormhole. I wonder where this one leads to.
To another galaxy? Another universe? What? It's just the letter C. I was expecting a bit more.
C stands for comet. It is being heated up by the sun. Comets orbit the sun like planets. The ice is sublimating. That's when it goes straight from a solid to a gas.
I heard they're called dirty snowballs.
They are, Nova, but comets are bigger than snowballs. Like the size of a soccer stadium or a huge mountain. So I call them dirty icebergs.
Whoa! Did the power go out?
Dudes. Space people, over here. I'm the letter D.
Look, it's a talking letter.
Yeah, I talk. D stands for dark matter and dark energy. Watch this. The stars and galaxies make up only 5% of the universe by mass. The rest is dark. This lady, Vera Rubin, she discovered dark matter by its gravitational effect on star orbits around galaxy cores. These scientists unveiled dark energy by studying the brightness of distant supernovae and realized the universe is being propelled faster than can be explained by the Big Bang. This force is dark energy. Think of the universe like a jelly bean jar. The few bright, colorful jelly beans represent the stars, planets, moons, everything that can be seen. All the black beans are D, dark matter and dark energy.
Thanks, Detective D.
Can we have some jelly beans?
It's not snack time yet. We're only on the fourth letter.
The Earth. E is for Earth. So beautiful.
What's the big deal? I've seen tons of pictures of Earth.
Luna, this is our home. It's imperative that we see our planet as one world as much as we can, to take it all in, all the people, all the life.
Mother Earth takes care of us, so we need to take care of her.
The sun? This is F, not S for sun. Someone messed up the letters on your roller coaster.
Luna, we're on F. F is for fusion.
This is nuclear fusion.
Fusion ha!
That's what powers the sun.
Star power!
I feel like a poem. Fuse, majestic, magnificent sun. You are the Earth's very, very special one. Nuclear fusing, countless atoms in your core. Hydrogen into helium, making energy galore. Every second you fuse 600 million tons. Fuse, majestic, magnificent, supreme sun.
Nice poem, Astra. Looks like you've got some star power of your own. What letter is next in line? G. I wonder.
Letter G. Gotta be for that humongous galaxy.
It is! There are billions and billions of galaxies in the universe. Astronomers say if you put all the galaxies together, they look something like this. This new perspective reminds me of another G. Anyone know this guy? He was a super teacher too.
That's Galileo. He and his telescope revolutionized our views of the heavens. There's an H constellation.
H is for heavens. And ready for this? H is for hieroglyphs.
I think we're in Egypt.
You are. This is Dendera Temple at Hathor. Notice this amazing sculpture of the heavens on the ceiling. Did you know hieroglyphs are the source of our alphabet?
What? They don't look anything like our letters.
Hieroglyphs are pictures of animals or objects that are used to represent sounds or meanings. When the nearby Canaanites sounded out these pictures in their own language, the Egyptian H looked like a house. So they sounded it out as our letter H and wrote it down. Their letter got shaped and reshaped over the years until it looks like the H we see today. Almost all our letters are derived from these hieroglyphs.
Unbelievable! Our alphabet goes all the way back to the Egyptians.
What's going on? The sky's turning red.
I is for infrared. This is what the sky looks like if we all had powerful infrared glasses.
Awesome!
It's okay.
Today, we can stargaze all across the electromagnetic spectrum. Our telescopes can detect and visualize these energies from all over the sky.
Jumpin' Jupiter! We must be at J!
Okay, planets don't bounce. But Jupiter's massive gravity tugs on its closer moons, like Io and Europa, causing them to heat up inside. Io spews out volcanoes, and Europa heats up enough to have liquid water below its icy surface. Some water escapes in these icy geysers.
Whoa! That was scary.
It's a big green rock with a big K on it.
Careful, that's kryptonite.
There's no such thing as kryptonite, but there is an element krypton, number 36 on the periodic table of elements. It's a noble gas, like helium, neon, argon, and xenon. These element types are rarely involved in chemical reactions.
Look! It's Albert Einstein! What's he doing?
He's riding a beam of light. Think about it. If you were Einstein right now, you're not moving. Everything else is. Stars go racing by as you zip through space at the speed of light.
That's just like us, if we're inside an airplane. In reality, we're moving fast, but it doesn't seem that way, unless we look out the window.
Exactly, Luna. Nice job.
That's what Einstein said. It's all relative.
M is for moon. I love moons. Jupiter and Saturn have like 80 each.
Yeah, they are cool, Astra. But we gotta move it. We're only halfway through the alphabet.
I like to move it.
I like to move it.
N is for nebula. These absolutely fabulous pictures look like an art gallery, but in reality, they are telescope images of star birth or star death. Our sun was born out of a gigantic nebula, and it will make one in a long, extremely long time from now.
Yeah, I heard, like in 5 billion years.
I could look at these all day.
Look at all the O's.
Think there for orbit. Planets orbit the sun.
And the solar system orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Wait, I got another cool O. Breathe, everyone. And you, in the audience too, just take one deep breath. Can you feel that? O is for oxygen. It keeps us going all the way to the end of the alphabet.
Oh no, who are you? I don't get many visitors out here, living 4 billion miles from the sun.
Does that letter P stand for planet?
Me used to.
Wait, you're Pluto. P is for Pluto. You used to be a planet.
Yeah, now I'm a dwarf planet. What can I say? I don't get no respect at all.
You were a planet when I was a kid.
Cheer up. Your orbit sneaks inside of Neptune's orbit, so you're not always the furthest planet.
Dwarf planet?
Your large ice floe on your surface looks like a heart. All of this makes you pretty special.
You know, you're right. Have fun visiting the other letters. Bye now.
That's our cue.
What does it stand for?
Quasar. They are young, distant, active galaxies. There are huge, supermassive black holes at their cores.
I love black holes, but we better get out of here. Remember the Shakespeare spaghetti?
3, 2, 1. Ignition. We have liftoff.
R must be for rocket.
It sure is! Rockets are way faster than any car! When I blast off and take some of your astronauts to the moon, I go 7 miles per second.
That's impressive, even from a talking rocket.
Fireworks! Exploding rockets! Awesome! How fast did they go?
A lot slower. Less than 1/10 of a mile per second. Fast, but not nearly enough oomph to reach space.
Lots of boom.
S is obviously for space and stars.
How many stars are there?
Is that you, Luna? Are you getting curious about all this space and science?
Maybe a little.
The number of stars that we know of is like 4 billion trillion, give or take.
Star power.
I am the letter T. I am here to talk telescopes.
You're a bit loud there, letter T.
This is Alma, a set of 66 radio telescopes on a tall mountain in Chile. They can observe planets forming around distant stars, and even galaxy collisions, to name a few.
What is the biggest telescope?
The largest telescope is the...
Hey, look, kid, that's complicated. See this picture? It's a black hole. The first image ever taken of these gravity monsters, but it was not taken by one radio telescope. Oh no, it was taken by 8 of them.
Amazing!
If you're talking just one optical mirror, then the biggest is atop a mountain in the Canary Islands, currently. But soon,
The extremely large telescope in Chile will be 4 times bigger. And soon, the James Webb Space Telescope will see even farther than the Hubble.
What's going on? 2 letters at once? Is that legal?
It's UV for ultraviolet. Blistering hot, blue stars like Rigel and Deneb shine brighter in the UV than in the visual part of the spectrum.
UV can burn my skin.
Exploring the UV universe helps astronomers chart the growth of young stars, like here in the Orion Nebula.
U and V could stand for 2 planets, cold gassy Uranus and hot noxious Venus.
Luna, you are digging this field trip. You can't kid me.
I'm learning that learning isn't about remembering facts, but it's more a way of thinking.
Wow, Luna, I'm impressed. W is for weightlessness. 0G.
Awesome!
These students are experiencing a parabolic airplane ride. When they reach the top of the parabola, they float. They do this 15 times for about 30 seconds at a time. NASA astronauts do it like 100 times, and all that up and down makes them a bit queasy. That's why they call it
The vomit comet? That sounds so cool! Can we do that?
No!
No!
X is obviously for X-rays.
Yes, doctors and dentists use them to explore our bones. In space, X-rays come from very hot and powerful objects or events like a supernova. or when two neutron stars collide.
Look out, everyone!
Is that Yoda? Y is for Yoda.
It is, Nova. You get so excited about aliens, I thought I'd make Y for Yoda, even though Yoda is only a movie character. No one can prove there's life beyond the Earth. And no one can prove there's not, but it sure is fun to think about.
I would guess extraterrestrials are out there, somewhere in this big universe. Otherwise, as they say, it would be an awful waste of space.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Think we are out of time. Class for today is almost over.
Only one letter left.
Z is for Zodiac. In these 12 constellations, we always find the sun, moon, and planets. Their motion in front of these special stars is how people will tell time. The moon takes a month to go through the zodiac. The sun takes a year. The sun moves in front of Leo's stars in August.
Oh, what's Leo doing?
That lion is.
Well, I gotta say, you all did a great job on our alphabet quiz today. You were all super students. Maybe next time we'll use the alphabet to explore the microcosm.
I'm in.
Biology.
Awesome.
We'll take a fantastic voyage through the human body.
Sounds good.
Ready for the next ride?